In a geometric question, sometimes we don't able to get the answer directly, but we should start from the given information and then we write down some implication behind, and later on maybe we find out any hints to solve the answer. So first, whenever we have AB equal to AC, it's obviously they're telling us there is an isosceles triangle. So we have to write down is because this equal to this, that's why we have two angles are the same. So we better write this one down first. Since AB equal to AC, that's why we know that angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. Because they are asking you to find the results only, so don't write down any reference. Most probably you write down the wrong reference and then we stop marking or think that you are wrong. So we write down these two are the same. Afterward we have another information, we just do the same. Since DF is equal to DB, so we have this line equal to this line. That's why this angle and this angle are also the same, because we already used two mark to represent that side angle. So we use the same mark here. So basically not only these two, but 1, 2, 3 are all the same. We draw the conclusion angle DFB is equal to angle DBF. Afterward, our target is angle DFB. Angle DFB, we are talking about this one. So we may consider a triangle like this. We realize that we have all three angles of this triangle, 45 degree. Our target, we may let it be theta. So we let angle DFB equal to theta. Then we have 45 degree together with theta together with another theta equal to 180 degree. Angle sum of triangle. Again, you don't need to write it down. So we have 67.5 degree here. In your draft paper, update your information immediately. Afterward, our target is angle AEF. AEF is talking about this angle. In case that you have no idea how to get AEF, but you still have time for the exam, you should write down as much as angle that you know. Basically, this triangle, we have all the angles. If we look at angle triangle ABC, we have two angles, 67.5, and the rest of the angle should be also 45 degrees. So we should show the marker that we know about this point. So consider triangle ABC. We know that angle CAB. That means the missing angle here, together with 67.5 degree, another 67.5 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle sum of triangle. So we get back angle CAB is also 45 degree. Afterward, we can use adjacent angle on straight line to get angle AFE, and then that's why we can get the rest by angle sum of triangle here. Or more straightforward, if I let this one be fine, we have exterior angle of triangles. That means these two angles together will equal to the external angle here. So that's why we can say that angle, our target AEF, together with 45 degree will equal to 67.5 degree. Exterior angle of triangle. So angle AEF is equal to 67.5 degree minus 45 degrees. Our final answer is equal to 22.5 degrees. In part B similar, they say that in case that BC is equal to BE, just simply write down the implication first. BC together with BE, the same, that means the base angle are the same. So not only three angles now, but 1, 2, 3, 4 are all 67.5 degrees. Since BC is equal to BE, beware that we are going to prove, so I have to provide the reason. This is given. That's why we can draw the conclusion that angle CEB is equal to 67.5 degrees. The reason, pay extra attention, it should be base angles, isosceles triangle. It's not something called isosceles triangle properties, it's another stuff. Afterward, if you get lost, don't forget to think about what we have done in part A. We know this is 22.5. Somehow it should be useful. So we find a cross here, AC and DF cross. So whenever we find a cross, the opposite angle are the same. So this is also 22.5 degrees, and the reason is called vertically opposite angles. So we are going to write down angle DEC. We already know that it's 22.5 degrees. Vertically opposite angles. And for our target angle DEB, we have two angles already. So 22.5 plus 67.5. Angle DEB is equal to 22.5 degrees together with another part, 67.5 degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. So we already proved it, angle DEB is a right angle. The last part, they say BC is equal to 6. So direct information is these two lines are 6. And then we are going to find the area of triangle DFB. DFB here. Again, if you have no idea, then make sure you check the previous part. They ask you to prove it is right angle. What's the use of right angle here? Right angle here imply that maybe we can able to use sine cosine formula. We can use the primary school triangular formula. But we are talking about triangle DFB. So most probably we are not going to use base times height divided by 2. But we can use Pythagoras theorem here also. If we just focus in this triangle, beware that it is a right angle triangle with 45 degrees. So the rest of the angle is also 45 degrees. That's why it forms a isosceles triangle. If this is 6, then this one will be also 6, which implies that ED is also 6 here. After you get this length, you can also get EF by trigonometric ratio. This is opposite while this one is adjacent. So you have one complete side. And then we can multiply the heights directly, divide by 2, then we can get the final result. So our strategy, first mission is to find DE and EF. Consider the red triangle here first. 6 here is the opposite side, while this one is adjacent. So we are going to use the tangent ratio. Tangent 45 degrees is equal to opposite divided by DE. So DE is equal to 6 divided by tangent 45. While tangent 45 is 1, so we get 6 here. Afterward, we are going to find out EF. So for EF, we have the opposite side, we have the adjacent side. So this is again a tangent ratio. It's equal to opposite side 6 divided by EF here. It's 2.48528137 we have got the complete length of DF. Then we can just consider a triangle area by the base times the perpendicular height here. This is 6 together with 2.48. So it's 8.48528137 something times the height 6 here. Therefore, we get the final result, the area. Is equal to 8.48528137 and then times 6 divided by 2. We get 25.455844412 cm square, which means 25.5 cm square. Correct to 3 significant figures.